Hey, what's up guys, Giacomo here. ARTEM sent me a bunch of their sailcloth straps featuring different clasps for the purpose of this review. I find their products interesting and I decided to showcase them. This might benefit many of you that, like me, have a passion for watches and are looking for a replacement or simply like to try out different straps. This right here is their sailcloth loopless design in a navy blue with a stainless steel deployant clasp. There is no loop to tuck the end of the strap in, closure of the strap and release. It all happens in one quick motion. In regular straps, loops have a tendency to move around and disengage, not a problem here. It looks sleeker and tidier as well. To secure the strap, fold over one side like so and just press the clasp against the wrist. This will engage the double closure system. To undo it, press both those pushers and pull. The richer mill deployant clasp was the most fun for me to play with. I've actually never seen this closure system before. Unlike a regular friction-based deployant clasp where pressure must be applied on both ends of the strap to secure it in place, this one uses a leaf spring mechanism for a more secure feel. I must say it feels more secure and even more practical to operate. I have requested as well to specifically send me straps equipped with the quick release spring bar. It just makes more sense over regular spring bars, no tools required. They are available on their website as an option over standard bars. The execution on the sailcloth straps is impeccable. Manufacturing standards are set high, tolerances are tight. It goes from the stitching both on the outside and on the inside where the inner rubber lining joins the sailcloth flawlessly. Also, some of them feature a soft silicone strip to reduce wear in the strap holes. The padding enhances the overall visual appeal, tapering down from the case of the watch towards the loose ends. It just makes the overall look of the watch more substantial. That is important when it comes to a sport watch. Sailcloth is known for its strength and resistance to wear and tear. It can withstand exposure to water, sun, making it a reliable choice for watch straps. Despite being durable, this material is also flexible, and that is paramount in watch straps, as they have to deliver the maximum level of comfort possible. ARTEM achieves that also with the integration of a rubber lining. Not only it makes for a more comfortable wear, it will also increase durability. Unlike with leather, grit, sweat and moisture can be washed away and dried out. On a side note, and this was the first thing that caught my attention, the woven texture of these straps seems to really complement the essence of a marine watch. ARTEM also offers the classic pin buckle clasp or tang clasp as they call it. It is a valid alternative to a deployant clasp. It is just a matter of taste, I guess. I would have liked to try out their blank pen style clasp. I think that is very classy and a good match for a dress watch. A thing of note, the clasp features a discreet logo that is not intrusive and does not look out of place when paired with any watch from major brands. I'll be honest and say that I'm impressed with the overall quality of these straps. They showcase a solid construction and refined finish. They exude a sense of durability and sophistication, elevating the overall look and feel of any watch they adorn. I can see these straps paired with Omega, Rolex and other major brands. I recommend these straps to fellow watch enthusiasts seeking both reliability and style. Color range is limited, but I love what they've done with the khaki green and navy blue. Price point is justified considering the overall quality. And with that said, I'm wrapping this one up. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.